Good evening, friends. Today we launched our Advanced Excel online YouTube training. 20 people attended this training. So, what are we learned? For those people who could not attend, I am just recording this and share the data with you. So, I have shared one 3-minute Excel test with the people. This is the 3-minute test and ask people to solve these 7 questions in. Let me share the screen. Okay. So, I shared this Excel test with people. The sheet is password protected. So password is 123. So you have to go to review, then unprotect sheet and type 123 to unprotect it. Now you can do anything in this sheet. So my first question was to translate or transform image, this image into this cell as a text. Okay. Then second question was translate this whatever data you have written here. You have to translate this into Hindi in these two cells. Third question was you have to write all first names of these employees in this column and then surnames in this column. Third question was you have to create a drop down here, like what drop down I have here. If I type A here, I can get Aniket, Archana. If I click down arrow and tab, I got this Archana Sandeep Shah here. So similar way, you have to create a drop down here so that you can select any employee of this list. Then you have to add icons here. So if 20 marks are there means not good one. So you should have icon that down arrow and red and here up 100 up arrow and green one. So we can add icons here, but only icons, no marks, no numbers. So this is your task. Then sixth task, you have to write a formula here to get these grades here. So 0 to 35 is fail, 35 to 49.4 is pass, 50 to 59.4 second class. For example, Shubman Gill has got 61 marks, so he should get first class here. So write one formula here to get this result. Then last question is, I have taken loan of 10 lakhs with interest rate 9 annually, every year 9%. And I will repay this payment in 120 months, means in 10 years. So what will be the monthly EMI? So your answer should be 12,667. So this test you have to finish in 3 minutes. Okay. So go to internet and type there timer 3 minutes. So the stopwatch will start and you have to finish this test in 3 minutes. Okay. I will stop it now to save your time. So pause the video and solve this test. And after solving this, after 3 minutes, you just stop giving any answer. And after 3 minutes, you will just cross check if you have completed this program, this adding this text, whatever I have given in this image. If you have added this text here, if you have added only first paragraph, first part of this paragraph, you can give 1 mark yourself. Okay. Then if you have added entire paragraph here, give 3 marks to yourself. Then if you have translated this into Hindi, you can give 3 marks. If you added all first names and surnames here, you can give 3 marks. If you added this drop down like here, like this, so you can give 3 marks. And if you have added these icons here without numbers, then you can give 3 marks. And if you added this formula to get the results, you can give 5 marks. And if your answer is minus 12,667.58, you can give 5 marks. And let's see how many marks you get. So this will decide what level you are. If you are less than 50%, you are at beginner level. If you are less than 70%, so 50 to 70, then you are at intermediate level. Above 70, you are expert. Okay. So my duty is now you have to solve this test less than 2 minutes. After this training, you will be able to solve this test in 2 minutes. I will show you some demo. I will show you the magic. How is it possible? Let us solve first 3 questions right now. So to solve this question, first question, I have only 30 seconds. So for that, my shortcut is window, window key plus H. So this is my shortcut. So select this cell and press window H. You will see microphone here and start speaking. I am pleased to inform you that based on your exceptional performance and dedication over the past year, the company has decided to promote you from the position of manager to senior manager. Along with this well-deserved promotion, your salary will be increased by 40%. New line. Your new responsibilities as senior manager will include overseeing larger projects, mentoring junior staff, and contributing to strategic decision making. We have no doubt that you will excel in this role just as you have in your previous position. So, in 20 seconds, I could type this. Amazing. Is it mind blowing? Okay. Now, next task. I want to translate this paragraph into Hindi. So, for that, our shortcut is Alt. You have to press Alt and leave it, then press R and then press L. Alt R L. To select this paragraph, I press Alt. Don't hold that Alt. Press R. Press L. Now here you will see from English to which language. Suppose Gujarati, Hindi, any national, international language you can select. If I want Hindi, so I can get Hindi language here, Hindi. Then I can copy this and then paste it here. Then second one, then copy this and paste it in this one. Okay. Now third question. For third question, our shortcut is Control plus E. Okay. Now Vedika is written here. I will just copy this Prashant and paste it here. I will copy the Jadon and paste it here. Okay. Now select on Prashant and press Control E. Control E. Yes, your work is done. Here, Control E. Your work is done. That's all. So, first question, it took me 20 seconds. Second question, 10 seconds. Third question, 10 seconds. So, in 40 seconds, I could finish these 3 questions. So, same way, other 3 questions also we can finish in less than 1 minute. So, total you can finish this test in 2 minutes. So, how was it? Was it mind blowing? Was it eye opening? Okay. So, to learn such techniques, to learn such productivity hacks, join this course and come on time. Every day we will start this course at 8 o'clock. We'll stop it at 8:40. We will not wait for anyone. We will continue this for next 2 months. If you miss this training, I will upload this video on YouTube so you can watch it there. I will give you practice material after training so you can practice it whatever I have taught you. Then I will give cheat sheet. So whatever you have learned, so that cheat sheet will revise you in just 5 minutes. So this is from me. So be on time and continue watching this channel. Thank you. Thank you very much.